Welcome back to Keeping Up with Corbin. I'm Zeta Henderson.
And I'm Hunter Upchurch. Boys basketball plays at Whitley County on November 25th and at Jackson County on November 26th.
The community Thanksgiving is November 25th at Corbin High School. Midterm is December 6th. Now here's our news team with a segment on grade eligibility with sports.
Alright, welcome class. Good to have you all today. As we get started on section headings, I'll let you all go ahead and check the board and go and open your textbooks while we get things started, okay? Hey Jackson, I need to talk to you just a second. Hey man, I need to let you know, we have grade policy here and you kind of slipped and not only are you failing the class, but you had some issues on the test the other day.
Well, coach, I'm the best player. This is the most important game. You gotta let me play.
Well, I understand that, and you are a good player, but we have academic policy here. It has to be followed and maintained, and really, my hands are tied.
To close us out, our news team talked to the staff and CMS to hear what they are thankful for.
I am thankful to be able to work here with all you good students and all of our good staff.
And I'm thankful for family, friends, my job, my school, and my co-workers. But this year, you've caught me in the moment, so I am thankful for peace, that you can be in a situation and it be chaotic, but that you can have a peace and just live in that in the midst of what's going on. So this year, that's what I'm thankful for.
I'm thankful for Thanksgiving break. I'm thankful for a lot of things in my life. First of all, I'm thankful that I have the same haircut as Mikey Neal. I'm also thankful for my friends and my family. I'm thankful to get to come to work here at Corbin Middle School every single day. I have a lot of things to be thankful for.
I am thankful for a lot of things. One thing that I'm really thankful for is my bass boat. That allows me to go catch all the fish that I could possibly catch. I'm thankful that God put bass in lakes. That allows me to go do what I enjoy. But on a more serious note, I'm thankful for my family. Without them, it would be hard to go around. I'm also thankful for my job here at Corbin Middle School. I'm thankful for the kids that I get to teach every single day.
I am thankful for my immediate family and my school family. You don't realize how much somebody means to you as a whole, as a group, the people that you work with, the kids that are here, until you see them leave and you miss them.
I'm thankful for all of my students.
Of course, I'm thankful for my family, all of my students, my wonderful school, my home, our food, and all of our great blessings that we have.
I'm thankful for my health, and I'm thankful for my grandson.
This season I'm thankful for our Savior, Jesus Christ. I'm thankful for our family, and I'm thankful for the little girl that we have on our way, Susanna.
I am thankful for my family and my children. I am thankful for Jesus.
I'm very thankful for a loving and caring family I get to spend this holiday with, and chicken and dumplings.
I am thankful for football. I'm thankful for my family. I'm thankful for these curly-headed little boys here that come out here going to play football here soon and do that. But I'm thankful to be at this school. It's a great environment, and have a great Thanksgiving.
Thanks for watching and have a happy Thanksgiving.